Number 1. He who does not know patience does not know how to achieve success. Patience is one of the secrets of success. In life, good things do not come easily or quickly, but with patience, we gain the strength to handle challenges and difficulties. Example, when starting a new project, you may face many obstacles. But if you're patient and persistent in your work, you will reach the desired outcome despite all the difficulties. Number 2. Life is short. Don't waste yourself on trivial things. Life is short, and if we spend our time thinking about insignificant or meaningless things, we miss out on important opportunities that could contribute to our growth and progress. Example, if you spend hours on insignificant details or pointless arguments, you might miss the chance to achieve a big goal. Focus on what truly deserves your time and effort. Number 3. Time is like money. If you don't invest it wisely, it will slip away. Time is the most valuable thing we have. Like money. If we don't use it wisely, we lose it without gaining anything. Every minute is precious, and we should invest it in things that benefit us. Example, if you spend your day procrastinating or getting distracted, you may end the day without accomplishing anything. Instead, allocate time for each task and complete it efficiently. Number 4. He who cannot see the good in everything will not find happiness in anything. A positive outlook helps us see the bright side of life, even in the hardest circumstances. Happiness doesn't come just from external things, but from our ability to see the good in everything around us. Example, when facing a big problem at work, instead of focusing on the issues, try to see the opportunities that can arise from these challenges. This positive outlook may open new doors for you. Number 5. Life doesn't give you everything, but it teaches you how to take the best. Life doesn't always give us what we want, but every experience teaches us a new lesson and helps us make better choices in the future. Life teaches us to be stronger and wiser in our decisions. Example, you may not have gotten the job you dreamed of, but that experience might have pushed you to develop your skills and look for better opportunities in the future. You may find a job that aligns more with your ambitions